Hello, this is Airdrop Sniper. Today I have made another MONAD testnet tutorial video. If you've watched my previous MONAD video, you should know that MONAD is one of the most anticipated projects in 2025. I'll put the video link of the first MONAD tutorial so you can fully participate in MONAD Airdrop. Without further ado, let's go. First, MONAD testnet tokens. Just put your wallet address and click on Get Testnet Token. Step 1. Go to Magma and stake some MONAD. Once staked, I am going to unstake it, so it generates more transactions. Stake. Unstake or done. Step 2. Go to Kinsu website and stake some MONAD. Some says that it's better to leave it staked, and some says that it's better to unstake, so it generates more transaction. Make your own choice on that. Step 3. Go to Kinsu website and stake some MONAD. Step 4. Go to Ambient and stake some MONAD. Step 5. Go to PancakeSwap and swap some MONAD token to another token. Step 6. Go to Rubik and swap MONAD token to another token. Step 7. Go to Kastora website and make price prediction. Step 8. Go to Azar website and swap some token. Step 9. Go to Monorail website and swap some token. Step 10. Go to Clover website and swap some token. That's all for today. All links are in the description. Thanks for watching. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.